Hey guys, what's up? So we're going to be looking at a chronological bar chart. The chronological bar chart is similar to the vertical bar chart or column graph, except for the fact that time is now indicated along the horizontal axis. So for example, the table below shows the amount of money spent in dollars on football in Germany each year from about 2005 to 2016. Draw a chronological bar chart with the information, right? And we can see in the table that in 2005, they spent $14 billion. In 2006, they spent 20. They spent 17 in 2007, 25 in 2008, 30 in 2009, and 40 in 2010, right? Cool. So, awesome. So let's draw this chronological bar chart. Okay, guys? And I'm gonna give you a feel of exactly how you do this thing. You draw it just like the other one. As I said, it's similar. So you're gonna draw your vertical. Let me draw that a little better. Let's draw the vertical a little shorter. And you're gonna draw the horizontal. But instead of labeling just the vertical side, as I said, time is now indicated along the horizontal axis, right? And this part is the most important, where it says time is now indicated along the horizontal axis. So that means that when we have a bar, in this case, the bar has to be represented by the time, okay? So for here, we're going to label the expenditure in billions. So we're going to start from 0. We're going to put a 5 here, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and then 40 up here, right? And the years now, the year, and let's label here expenditure in billions of USD, right? And down here, we're going to have the year. And let me write that somewhere else because I have to label it. But the x-axis is represented by the year. And it's how many years? It's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years. So we have 2005 here, 2006, 2000. Well, let's label them a bit smaller due to the fact that it may not fit. So let's just say 05, 06, 07, 08, 09, and 10. Cool. All right. So the first one is $14 billion. So that should be right here. Let me just draw a line, a straight line that should be about right here. That's the first one. Cool. And you want these bars to be the same as well in terms of width. Then the next one is actually 20 billion, so that would be up here. And boom. And the next one would actually be 17 billion, and that would be right in the middle, right about here. Cool. And draw this down. And then the next one is actually 25 billion, so that one is up here. Then you have, is it right? It should be 30 billion, which is right here. Right, this is actually 30 billion, which is right here. And the last one is actually 40 billion, which is way up here. All right. And this is how you represent it, guys. So instead of having nothing on the x-axis, with like the last bar chart we did, this one is actually labeled, right? So for this one, this represents 2005. The first one here represents 2005. Let me just put that here, 2005. This represents 2006. This represents 2007. This represents 2008. This represents 2009. And this represents 2010, right? And we're pretty much good here, all right? So it's really simple. The x-axis is labeled and the y-axis is labeled. And that's pretty much what a chronological bar chart is, and it's matched based on the time. So as you can see, Germany increased their spending on football over a certain period of time, and I'm pretty sure they reaped rewards. In 2014, they actually won the FIFA World Cup, and we know the power of Germany. All right. Uh, so, right, really good team, and it really made sense to spend that much money because they reap the reward by winning the trophy. All right, guys, so I'll see you in the next lecture, and thank you so much for your time. That's it, and I'll see you in the next lecture, and remember to do your best, and God will do the rest.